EV Expert, e-learning, diagnosis. High voltage junction block, quick charge relays. Overview. Fast DC charging supplies the high voltage DC power from the EVSE, electric vehicle service equipment, to the high voltage battery of the EV. As the battery charges with this DC power, it has electric polarities of plus and minus. To do so, quick charge plus and minus relays between high voltage battery and the EVSE, which supplies charging power, are located inside the high voltage junction block. And it connects and disconnects the fast DC charging circuit. For this fast charging, the quick charge plus minus relays are embedded in the high voltage junction block. This quick charging relay determines whether to supply the charging power of the EVSE to the high voltage battery. Then, let's take a look at quick charging relays. The DC power from the fast DC charger to the charging inlet flows through the quick charge relays. Therefore, the plus quick charge relay and minus quick charge relay must be activated for charging. The quick charge relays are controlled by the BMU. High voltage junction block, quick charge relays. Quick charge relay inspection. If a quick charge relay fault is suspected, continuity test must be performed between the high voltage battery cable connector of the high voltage junction block and the charging inlet. When continuity test is performed with a quick charge relay off, the relay is normal if a multimeter shows open loop. And if there is continuity, the contact is stuck, so the relay must be replaced. If the relay is in the normal condition with relay off, it is now necessary to check the operating status with relay on. Let's perform actuation test with GDS. Select BMS from Actuation Test. Select Quick Charge Relay minus plus on Simultaneous. Press the Start button. Did you hear that? This is the sound indicating that the Quick Charge Relays plus and minus are set to on. Even though you can hear a clicking sound, the relay may have a problem along the contact point. That's why continuity test should be performed. But if there's no click sound, the relay is faulty. Continuity check tests the plus and minus terminals of the high voltage battery cable connector of the high voltage junction block and between the plus and minus terminals of the charging inlet. When the quick charge relay is activated, check the resistance between the plus terminals of high voltage battery connector and the charging inlet. Check the minus terminals in the same way. If the reading is less than 1 ohm, it is normal.